everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Markeisha, and today I will be sharing with you a project for the Christmas All Year collaboration hosted by Scrap Passion 01. And also Betty and I have a series where we have been doing 3D projects. And so what I decided was just to incorporate one project for Christmas as well as 3D. I will have the links below for the ladies who are participating in the Christmas All Year. And so if you would like to participate, all you have to do is upload a video or a post on Instagram and use the hashtag Christmas All Year 2024. So let's jump into today's video. So the 3D image that I decided to use was a Scottish dog bag from the Silhouette. And I thought this was so super cute. I am in my dog era. It was just recently National Dog Day. And so I wanted to create this little gift bag here. I have a little sentiment on the front that says, "Have a Merry Little Christmas." On the little Scottish dog, I have some red seam binding there. And then on the top, I have this little bow with a little bell here. And this little bag, you can put quite a bit in here. I put some brads on the side of the bag here. And then in the inside, I have some 3x3 cards. And here is the first 3x3 card. I decided to use the plaid tiding paper by the Paper Studio to create all of my projects. And so this is just a simple 3x3 card. It just opens up. I left it blank. So again, you can just write a message there. And I have a little sentiment that says "Believe" on there. And then I just wanted to just show how you can actually put some goodies in here. So these are just some goodies that I decided to stick down in the bag here, because there's lots and lots of room. As you can see, there's lots of room in this bag here. And I thought this would be really cute just to, you know, give a little goodie. You can use this as a co-worker gift or something like that, because it's super simple, guys. It's really a simple project. Okay. And then to go with that, I decided to just create a Christmas card. And using that same little Scottish dog there, I just cut it out a little bit bigger on my Silhouette. I added this green bow because it kind of went with the green paper that I decided to use on the back and also on the front. I had this little sentiment in my stash, and because it had the little plaid background, I wanted to incorporate it on this card here. I left it very, very simple. I added a little jingle bell here, and it opens up this way. This card measures 5x7, and so it opens up like that. I left the inside blank on this particular card. And so this could actually be a gift set that you can actually give to someone. You can, again, with this little bag here, you can actually add a gift card to it and just add some goodies there. I was even thinking you can even put like some hand sanitizer, like from Bath and Body Works, in here, and just give it as a little gift. Maybe wrap it in some cellophane paper. That would be super cute. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. We will upload every second Sunday for our Christmas All Year, once a month if you would like to participate. And then Betty and I are uploading our 3D every other week. So thanks, guys, so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you will catch my uploads. I'm also on Instagram at MarkeishaTurner7. I would love to have a follow over there as well. Sometimes I post things that's not really crafty related, just a little sneak peek into my daily life. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you in my next crafty video. Bye.